If you've ever wondered what an R34 GTR sounds like with no muffler, you're about to find out. As car people, we love making our cars louder. And when you get your first car, it's always one of the first things on the list. But new exhaust systems can get expensive. So today, we're showing you the free way to make your car louder by ripping the muffler off. And we're doing it on Angelo's R34 GTR to see just how much of a difference it makes. Now, would we actually recommend you doing this? Definitely not. To do it properly, you'd still want an exhaust shop to weld in a pipe, which is cheap anyway, but this is purely for fun, a full-on P-plater spec muffler delete on an R34 GTR, which has probably never been done before because no one's been dumb enough to try it. So let's get into it and find out if this free mod is actually worth it. All right, so to show you guys how you can make your car louder for free, the car that we're using is Angelo's R34 GTR. Absolute JDM legend, and I think this will be the best car to use as an example. And here is Angelo, aka Boost Kings. You excited to hear the beautiful RB note? Because we did a video, it was a few videos back. I'll put the link up here.
We did a resonator delete and a high flow cat.
So we did that, and it did open up the sound. It's got this massive Nismo muffler, which is really rare. It's a really like proper quality Nismo muffler. It's sought after as well, but as you guys can see, there's a lot of restriction.
I just want to see what it sounds like without it, and then go from there whether I change the muffler or not. So I just want to kind of take this off, see what it actually sounds like.
Like without a muffler, basically. And if it's either straight through or you put like a Canon or something. Yeah, that's the reason why we're doing it for Angelo's GTR. We're going to put it back on after the muffler. We're not leaving it like this, but we just want to see how it's going to sound without a muffler, and basically just high flow cat, res delete, and then nothing after that. And then basically Angelo can decide from there whether he wants to do a muffler delete with just a straight pipe or if he wants to put a Canon on. Do you want to give it a start? We'll hear just quickly one more time how it sounds.
It sounds like a vacuum.
It sounds like a vacuum. So it's like the whole car is opened up and then it just gets restricted right at the end. So we'll show you the before. So still a bit of noise, but still very quiet. Yeah, still too restricted, Angelo, eh?
Yeah, it's not good enough.
Not good enough for a GTR. It's a GTR. You've got to hear this RB scream and sing, and I'm so excited to hear this note, and I hope you guys are too. Let's get it up on the hoist. We'll get started. So this is what John at Precision Mufflers did in the last video on the GTR. So as you can see, we've got high flow cat right here. It did have a resonator right here, which was cut out. And as you can see here, which is bolted on this massive Nismo muffler. That's huge, eh?
It's big. Like,
I feel like without that, it's
I think it might be too loud, but good to try it out.
I've always wanted to hear this car with like a proper RB note. Like I've been so excited to hear it. This is literally gonna be straight through. Have you got other cats up there?
I don't think so. I've been told two different things. 2 cats or 1 cat, and I don't know, I don't think so.
Yeah, because some people say that it's just that cat, and some other people say there's other cats up here. So I don't know, if you people know GTRs and you have that knowledge, let us know in the comments if there are any more cats up there. If not, it's basically just straight through to a nice high flow cat, which is very free flowing, and it's gonna be a straight pipe all the way out there.
Yeah. So loud.
I'm so excited. And guys, this is free. It's not clickbait, guys. Technically, you can make your car louder for free by just unbolting your muffler. Don't recommend it, but technically it's free. So let's see how we go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is huge. Like, guys,
it's pretty heavy.
Look at how it's heavy. You're gonna be losing weight with this, like weight reduction.
It is straight through though. I can see straight through.
Is it?
Yeah, look at the line.
Can you guys see? Is that straight through? Technically now it's straight piped. And how much money did that cost? Nothing. That was $0. And we're gonna hear the difference. And you can do this on any car. Most cars probably won't sound as good as a R34 GTR with an RB26 doing this, but it'll still be louder if that's what you want. I'm excited.
I'm pumped.
Let's bring it down.
I just hope it's not a letdown. Or else it's a shit video.
We did all that for nothing. I think because just looking at the size of this muffler, this is huge. There's just so much baffle and stuff going on. I just think with a completely like straight pipe all the way out.
Straight-ish.
It's gotta sound good. Let's do it, I'm so excited. All right, so we're gonna do the first start with no muffler. We've got that color support, and get your reaction as well.
That's a big difference.
Oh, that's deep.
That's surprisingly deep, actually.
That is a very deep note.
Oh.
You got a little brap? Bro, you can hear the turbo whistle.
It sounds like a diesel.
Did you hear that?
That's actually so loud, and it's deep.
Bro, you can hear the turbo whistle, it's crackling. That's insane.
That's very loud. Like, that's very
You
loud.
gotta take it for a drive.
We have to take this for a drive.
Why is it so loud? Like, I didn't think it'd be that much of a difference.
That shows you
How restricted.
How restricted.
That's what this test was. To see
Yeah.
how bad
that muffler was. Yeah.
As good as it looks.
Yeah. That is insane.
That's actually crazy. What the f*** is that thing made of?
Hey, look at it, it's huge. I told you, that thing's massive.
I think a nice small cannon tip to fill the space, but like nothing too big.
It sounds very burbly now because there's no pipe.
Yeah.
With an actual straight pipe, it'll sound a bit more refined. I think maybe a bit raspy.
I think that's why a small muffler might take the edge off it.
But we're still gonna take it for a drive.
We're still gonna take it for a drive.
I don't think anyone's ever done this on YouTube. A muffler delete R34 GTR just driving
I think
around.
no one's dumb enough to do that.
No one's stupid enough to do that to a
But we're
$200,000
pretty
car.
dumb, so it's fine.
So guys, please hit that subscribe button down below for doing some firsts and doing some
Dumb shit.
stupid stuff to a $200,000 car.
Yeah, even though it's not that far.
But yeah, let's go for a drive. I can't get over how different that sounds. It sounds so different.
That's crazy. It's actually pretty shit. Like, it's mad, but it's shit.
Bro, you can hear the turbo.
You can hear
the turbos.
You can hear everything. Actually, I keep saying turbos. This isn't one.
Yeah, I know. This is actually insane.
That's
This is so stupid.
actually so dumb.
This is what people do to like a Honda Civic for your first car.
Oh, no.
We're doing it to a 34 GTR.
I'm gonna get so much hate. That's so stupid.
This is actually so dumb.
It's like a ute with no exhaust.
Guys, hit that subscribe button for one of the first 34 GTRs driving around with a P-plated spec muffler delete. So
Fuck, it's so bad. I'm actually embarrassed to drive this car. It's just terrible.
You know what's funny? I'd be like driving it everywhere. I think that says a lot about me.
Yeah, your car's the idle, the startup shows the potential.
Like this idle right now.
Like the idle and the startup shows the potential, but then it just becomes stupid. So I think it definitely needs a smaller, nice cannon. Like that would calm it down.
Or a nice straight pipe.
I think if I did straight pipe, I'd probably have a resonator. It gets rid of that,
The rasp.
the rasp almost.
Yeah, it makes it deeper. You know what? I think that's fair enough. That is insane. Just got back from that drive. Like, I think a lot of people might say it's a bit crap.
It just sounds like a ute with
Like a diesel ute.
Diesel ute with no
Like
exhaust.
a truck. What are you leaning towards now?
I think I'm leaning towards a nice, simple cannon style muffler.
Yeah, let us know in the comments down below what you guys think Angelo should do for the 34 GTR's exhaust setup. Very curious to hear what you guys recommend. No one does muffler deletes on these, like how we did, and drives
no
around.
one will do.
This is an expensive 34 GTR, and we did like, as I said, what P-platers do on a random Saturday Arvo, like on a cheap Lancer or Civic. Like,
Civic, yeah.
We did that.
I did that on my Subaru actually back in the day.
Yeah, we've all done it.
We've all done it.
And we just did it on the 34 GTR. So that's got to be worth a subscribe, guys. Like, we're trying to hit 10K by the end of the year, and I know we can make it happen, but can't do it without your support. So yeah, please hit that subscribe button. It does mean a lot. But yeah, I guess that sums up the video. You can make your car louder for free. This costs.
Might sound shit.
It might sound bad. It costs $0. No guarantee it's going to sound good, but technically it's louder and it's free. Anyone can do it. Do we recommend doing this and driving around on the street?
No.
No, we don't recommend it.
Definitely don't do it.
And if you guys want to follow the build of this 34 GTR, hit up Boost Kings right here. It'll be on the screen. Chuck Angelo a follow. He's an absolute legend. And you can follow the whole progress on this beautiful 34 GTR. You can see the whole progress on the build. So we're going to put the other exhaust back on so Angelo can drive around without blowing his eardrums and losing his mental sanity. So yeah, we're going to get that done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one. And stay tuned for the regular upload. I know I haven't posted in a few weeks, but we're getting back into that weekly upload grind, and we got some awesome content coming your way. So please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all of that for more. And I'll see you in the next one on That Car Life.